Welcome back, internet friends. Today I want to show you a double staff variation of thread the needle. Cool, right? For those of you who haven't become comfortable with swapping staves, make your staves an X, and I want you to think about whichever staff is on the bottom. You're just going to gently toss it over and recatch it. Now it's on top. Practice this. Notice, flip the staff and recatch it on the other side. Drill this with one hand, rolling over the thumb. The thumb is really important. Notice, the thumb has to switch back to top every rotation. Thumb is on bottom, regrip, thumb is on bottom, thumb is on bottom, move to top, thumb is on bottom, move to top. Now, once you're comfortable, practice each staff alternating which hand is in front. Give yourself plenty of room. Any thread the needle, you're going to alternate which hand goes back and forth, and one will cut slightly in front of the other. As you can see, we swap hands with both staves. One cuts in front of the other and we regrip. Once you can do it comfortably, you speed it up and it looks just like thread the needle with poi. Follow me for more tutorials.